Everybody, it's supper time. I've had a busy day making a few videos. I don't normally do that, but I've got a very busy rest of the week. So we are going to make a Frito corn chip casserole. That's right, Frito corn chip casserole. I've got everything here in front of me. I've got to grab the cheese. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I wasn't sure which cheeses. We have a triple cheddar cheese here. I'm going to use that. This is 2 cups. I got a little bit of Fiesta mix here that needs to be used up. And if I want to use more, I'll use sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm going to pan you down. We're using black beans, tomatoes, onions, rotel and green chili, Frito-Lay, and gotta find one more thing. I'm forgetful. Okay, I've got the Hamburg meat in, and I got this chopper. I got it at Dollar General for $2, and it's a wonderful chopper. It's great for meats and sausage and just so much. You just work it like this, and it works great. So I hope everybody's doing well. I know there's a lot of variations out there on how to make this casserole, but this is the way I'm making it with my twist, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. And if you're not subscribed, hit that bell and you'll get all notifications. I try to put out a video except for Sunday. I try to put one every day. Sunday's my day of rest, so I can rest up a little and think about the week and what's going on. So as I finish cooking this hamburger meat, I'll bring you back as I add the ingredients. Okay, as you can see, I'm cooking the hamburger meat. I'm going to add the onions right now, so they'll cook up some. We got to hide them as much as we can because, you know, Mr. R, he's not a real big vegetable person. Hopefully he'll eat this. I don't know, but we shall see. Just gonna cook this right up nice. As you can see, I've got absolutely no fat at all in this pan. This Hamburg's very good meat. I go to a great butcher. He treats me great. This might even be 90%. I said 85 because I never go less than 85, but this is cooking up like it's 90%. It's the only thing I'll buy. Okay, as we need to add more, I'll bring you back. Oh, okay, at this time I'm adding the black beans. I had them in a strainer. I'm going to give them a little stir here. Stop the chopper now. At this point, this chopper is really great. Love it, love it, love it. We're gonna stir the beans in, just like this. Smells good with those onions cooking. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the taco season mix, and we're gonna mix that in, just like that. Oops, I see I dropped a little bit on the side. That's okay. Guess you can call me Missy Marvin. Maggie, you be good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put a cup of water in. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the burner down, and I'm going to let it simmer and thicken up. And when it gets all done and it's thick, I will bring you back and show you the next step. Okay, folks, I'm back. There it is right there. Look at that, no grease to take out at all. Taco seasoning, onions, a little bit of chili powder, just a tad. If Ray knew it was in there. I'm going to put my sour cream in now, so it'll be a lot easier to stir it in here. Just like this. And stir it up. Now, how many has made this, and how do you make yours? Is it similar to this, or is it different? I'm just gonna stir it all in here, just like this. I got the oven all ready at 350 for 30 minutes. It'll go in. There. Oh boy, this is gonna be yummy because it smells delicious. Okay, we're ready to start. I've got cheese on the bottom. Okay, then we're gonna take some of this and we're gonna just layer it right in. Just like this.
Here's your reminder. Supper.
Alexa's telling me it's supper time. Normally 5 o'clock I start supper. I'm a little early tonight. Alexa, stop. Okay, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna put some tomatoes in. He'll probably pick the tomatoes out, but maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay, then we're gonna put some rotel, chili and tomatoes in, about a half can. And I'm gonna use my Grammy spoon. Gonna go like this. Then we're gonna take some salsa, put that right in. Just like that. Okay, now, here comes the chips. And like I said, I'm doing it my way with my twist. Everybody can do it different or however you want it. But this is a yummy way. And then we're gonna put some cheese on it. Who doesn't like cheese? We love cheese. I put about a cup of cheese. I put about a half a cup on bottom. Just like this. Then we're gonna go back. We're gonna finish pouring this in. Just like this. And folks, I wanna show you, no grease at all. Good Hamburg. I always say good Hamburg goes a long ways. Okay, just go like this. And we're just gonna layer it again. How yummy looking does that look? Okay, we'll set that right there. It's gonna be washed anyways. I'm gonna put the tomatoes. Put the rest of the rotel on. Just like that. Hope Mr. R doesn't pick too many tomatoes out, but this is what's gonna give it all the yummy flavor, that and the salsa, everything. Put some more salsa in. I used almost a half a jar of 24 ounces, so I almost used 12 ounces of salsa. Yum, yum. Easy, quick. And now we're just gonna top it off with, I almost forgot, the Frito-Lays. I think my double trouble's coming in, but that's okay. Just like that. Then we're gonna put it in the oven, like I said, at 350 for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna top it off with some cheese. Just like this.
Oh.
And I think 2.5 cups of cheese is gonna be good. Hello, Ray.
Hi.
I
Got
think
my hat.
that's okay. Maggie May just took Ray's hat and went running with it. Okay, guys, we're gonna pop it in the oven and I will show you when I get done baking it. there you have it right there. Yum. Okay, folks, here it is out of the oven. Doesn't it look good? Nice and golden and crispy. And we have a special guest that's going to taste this for you. So let me get the plate all set up and we will be back. Hey everybody, look, it's Mr. R. Mr. R, what are you going to be eating?
Frito chip casserole. Did I say that right?
Frito pie casserole.
Frito pie casserole.
Frito, okay,
Looks
you want
good.
to try it for me, please?
Sure. I've been looking forward to it.
You have been. Let's get a real close-up picture. Look how good and yummy that looks. Oops, you get your hand there. Oh,
Okay.
that looks good right there. I gave you a fork and a spoon because I wasn't sure.
I don't know what's in there, but I suppose she told you all. She ain't told me yet. Here we go.
No, I didn't want to tell you.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yep. Good.
What's it taste like? To you, what does it taste like?
I know.
It's got taco seasoning. Does it taste like taco?
That's what I taste, the taco seasoning.
Okay, that's what
Yeah.
you do taste that?
Yep. It's got a good, kind of, the corn chips are still, I don't want to say hard crunchy.
Crunchy.
Crunchy, that's what I want you.
Okay, Ray, so sums it up, 1 to 10. What are you going to give me? Now, be kind.
Just because I need brownie points, 10.5.
Oh, okay, brownie points 10.5. So there you have
No,
it,
good.
folks, right there. It's good. So, subscribe if you haven't. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless, and we will see you tomorrow. Stay safe, everybody.